Hello everyone, so I just wanted to do another product review. This time the product review is on a Logitech Signature M650L mouse. So I bought this about 3 months ago after my previous mouse finally broke. This is a wireless Bluetooth mouse. I spent ages doing my research before I picked this up. For the price point, I think it's amazing, to be honest. So my wife works from home some days and she has a work mouse, and the noise it makes from the buttons absolutely can be infuriating at times. And I thought, I've got to get a mouse that makes no noise, because something that really bugs me is the clicking of the mouse. I hate it. So I did my research and wanted to get a silent click mouse. So yeah, this one is a silent click mouse. It's been perfect, to be honest. So first off, I'll just mention this click, because it is a main reason why I bought this mouse. So you can press the button. You can hardly hear that click compared to most mouses. It's actually 90% less noise with the silent touch technology on this mouse than it is on a normal standard mouse. So I do a lot of video editing and use my MacBook Air a lot, and it's really helped me, this has, because it's just totally not irritating at all. So other features on this, well, it's got a 2-year battery life. It uses low energy Bluetooth technology, so the battery does actually last for 2 years, and it only uses one Duracell battery. So if I take the back cover off to show you, it uses one battery, AA battery, and it does come with the receiver, the Logibolt USB receiver should you need it. Although I don't need it, it just connects straight to the internal Bluetooth on the MacBook, so I've never had to actually use it. The buttons on the side are customizable, so you can set that up in the Logitech Options Plus. For shortcuts, I've never really used it actually, but you know, I probably should set that up and actually use it. So yeah, what else do I like about it? Well, I like that it's using recycled plastics. I think that's fantastic, and that is obviously the way forward, to use recycled materials when possible. And also I like this rubber grip on the side, this soft touch rubber grip. Absolutely fantastic. When you're holding the mouse in your hands, it feels brilliant, you know, and you can work for hours and hours with this mouse and your hands will not be hurting, trust me, at the end of the day. So yeah, I just want to do this quick review. I can see this is my hand for a large hand. Like I say, my wife and my daughter have both used this mouse and said it's been okay, really good. They've enjoyed using it. So that's the mouse. So I just want to give you the opportunity to show it you. Please do consider checking out my Amazon Associates link and checking the mouse out. Currently in the UK, you can pick this up at the time of this video in the white colour for around £32.26, because they're offering 28% off at the moment for that colour. They do right-handed and they do left-handed. I'd just like to point that out as well, so you make sure when you go on you pick right-handed or left-handed. And you can also pick the pattern size, so you can actually pick large hands or small medium hands. So you do have options on the actual Amazon page, so don't just be clicking on the first one you see, which is right-handed large hands. You have options on the screen, so yeah, don't make that mistake of picking the wrong one. And the options of colours are available are, at the moment, I can see white. They do a really nice graphite colour for obviously working. And then they do a pink colour as well, if you like the colour pink. So yeah, 3 different colours. They are varying prices on the other colours, and the cheapest one is obviously the white one. So thank you very much for watching, and appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Goodbye.